The tutorial you are watching is part of Python Fundamentals, probably the best Python beginner course on the internet.
Hello and welcome to Functions in Python. So our learning intentions for this tutorial are: first, we're going to understand the concept of a function. Second, we're going to create three functions that do the following. 1, perform a custom greeting. 2, add numbers together. And 3, factorize some number. Now, first to the concept. It's a block of code that has a name. Now let's create the simplest block of code and give it a name. And then when we call that name, the block gets executed. So what would constitute a block of code? Like a bunch of print statements, hello. So we copy and paste this. I guess there's 5 of them, so we can give them a name. We are going to give them a name, def hello 5. Now the function names end with an open closed bracket. Sometimes the inputs of a function go here, if a function has inputs, but it doesn't need to have any. Now for this block to belong to this function, it needs to be indented. So now this is inside the function hello5. And every time I call or I type in hello5, open close bracket, that block of code is going to get executed. Hello5. Done. Pretty neat. Okay. So what's next? A custom greeting. Well, this one is going to take an input. So we can say def, give that a name, and we can greet. Who are we going to greet? We're going to greet the person. A person is a variable that's not yet assigned, but when we type in the name of a person here, that name will be assigned to the variable person. Or to be more accurate, parameter person. So we're just going to print hello plus person. So now we want to greet Alexandra. I don't know. Alexandria. Typo, but nice. Hello, Alexandria. It works. So next one, we wanted to add 2 numbers. Now that is going to be really similar, except it's going to have 2 inputs. And it's going to return a value. Now printing goes straight to the standard output, but functions can also return a value. And I'm going to show you what that means. So we can say def add nums. And we can have num1, num2. And so we can return num1 plus num2. Dun, 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 dun. Add nums 2, 7. That's going to return a 9. Well, that works. So one very, very important point that I have to make here is if we ran this down there and we ran Alexandria as well, only one of these functions is actually going to print to the standard output, and it's the only one which has a print statement. So even when a function returns something, it will not appear in the interactive shell. Watch. Only Alexandria appears. To print add nums, you'd literally have to manually print them. Okay, one last function. I believe I said we're going to write a function that factorizes a number. So, bit of copying and pasting is due. Dun, dun, dun. This was the code that we used to factorize a number. So how can we make this into a function? Well, I guess since we have an input and the input is num, we can say def factorize num. Now we can put that there, and since we have print statements and we're actually not returning anything, this is going to work. So we can factorize 100, some huge number, 1238. How many factors that's going to have? That should work. We just need these brackets, and let's see what happens. Yeah, 1's a factor, 2's a factor, 619. There you go, 1238. It's only got 4 factors. It's almost a prime. It's about as close as you can get to a prime. It's a multiple of a prime. Okay, that's all you need to know for the functions. I will see you in the next tutorial. Hi there, my name is Sanjin. I am the creator of this channel here. If you're loving these videos, be sure to subscribe. That button's gonna be right there. And do the like thing, you know, that's nice too. The playlist for this Python Fundamentals course is right here for you to access it. And on my other side should be a playlist of all my Python videos. So enjoy that and see you guys later.